In this video, I'll show you how to use V0 by Vercel for beginners. First, go to the V0 website and sign in with your account. If you don't have one yet, create an account and complete the sign-in process. Next, once you're inside V0, click to start a new project or a new chat. After that, describe what you want to build. For example, you can type, create a modern landing page for a fitness business with a hero section, pricing section, testimonials, and a contact form. Now, submit your prompt and wait for V0 to generate the design and code. Next, review the result and make changes by continuing the conversation. You can ask V0 to change colors, add sections, improve layouts, update text, or create new components. After that, keep refining the project until you're happy with the final version. Now, use the preview feature to test the design and make sure everything looks the way you want. Next, if you want to continue development elsewhere, use the export options or connect the project to your preferred workflow. Finally, save your project and continue improving it whenever needed by returning to the chat and giving new instructions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use V0 by Vercel for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.